Dogecoin cost all things considered, equivalent to $0.0893 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.0873-0.0906, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0888. The change certainly was plus 0.0005, plus 0.56%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Opposite rate, USD to Doge, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.090, truly most extreme 0.096, in every way that really matters, least 0.084, which by and large is very critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.094, really most extreme 0.101, sort of least 0.087, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.093, greatest 0.100, extremely least 0.086 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.092, kind of most extreme 0.098, kind of least 0.086, showing how Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.090, exceptionally greatest 0.096, by and large least 0.084, which certainly is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $0.094, truly greatest 0.101, kind of least 0.087, so the earlier day close, 0.0888 in a kind of significant way. In multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, April 24, cost $0.096, kind of most extreme 0.103, certainly least 0.089 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.095, in every practical sense, greatest 0.102, extremely least 0.088, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.091, really greatest 0.097, in every practical sense, least 0.085, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.084, most certainly greatest 0.090, especially least 0.078, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.082, most certainly greatest 0.088, most certainly least 0.076 in a sort of significant manner. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.095, really greatest 0.102, especially least 0.088, which all things considered, is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.095, fundamentally most extreme 0.102, truly least 0.088, which essentially is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.092, sort of greatest 0.098, lovely least 0.086, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.098, exceptionally most extreme 0.105, extremely least 0.091 in a very significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.102, by and large greatest 0.109, least 0.095, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 8, cost $0.100, especially most extreme 0.107, beautiful least 0.093 in a fundamentally large way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.102, most certainly greatest 0.109, especially least 0.095 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.103, in every practical sense, greatest 0.110, least 0.096 in a fundamentally significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.101, most extreme 0.108, genuinely least 0.094, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $0.101, certainly greatest 0.108, certainly least 0.094, which for the most part is very critical. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.100, really greatest $0.107, least $0.093, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.102, most extreme $0.109, certainly least $0.095, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.096, beautiful greatest $0.103, least $0.089, which basically is very critical. USD to Doge conversion standard kind of equivalent to 11.1982 coins per $1, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 110375, 114600 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby, 11.2651, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0669, 0.59%, which most certainly shows that in about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.095, sort of greatest 0.102, beautiful least 0.088, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing how Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.094, especially greatest 0.101, genuinely least 0.087 in a quite large way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, April 17, cost 11.111 coins. By and large greatest 11.905, genuinely least 10.417, which truly shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.084, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.090, essentially least 0.078 in a for the most part significant manner. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 10.638 coins, truly most extreme 11.494, kind of least 9.901, exhibiting that today, S reach 110375, 114600. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 10.753 coins, sort of most extreme 11.628, all things considered, least 10.000, showing how Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.102, greatest 0.109, genuinely least 0.095, which really is very huge. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 10.870 coins, most certainly greatest 11.628, in every practical sense, least 10.204 amazingly. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, April 21, cost 10.638 coins, all things considered, greatest 11.494, beautiful least 9.901, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week USD to Doge forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 10.417 coins.